was 19 years old, I went to Singapore and I started doing diploma in hospital management. After I finish it, I'm doing my internship OGT. After finish it, I again join with Stei with my advanced diploma. In my learning time, I learned many things about this field, like how working with customers, how working with workers, and also how to grow my business. I want to thank my all lecturers, also my friend and Singapore give this opportunity. I am very happy about this, and I want to thank for them give this opportunity, and special thanks for Miss Tan. She give this opportunity for me. So I recommend STI College because this is the very best college in Singapore, because they focus in many weak students and they try to catch it and they try to grow up this student. That's the reason why I like them. And also the lectures very friendly and they try to all time give their best for student. And my recommendation, STI Singapore. Also you can search in Google, they have good reviews and also feedback. I have YouTube channel, name is MR.Veg. Now they going grow up, and also I have restaurant, same name, MR.Veg. Because I use this name, I am very like this name because I work in Singapore vegetarian restaurant. That's the reason why I like this MR.Veg name. And my future ambition is starting a hotel and also doing a degree and master degree in Singapore. And thanks STI and thanks Singapore give this opportunity. Thank you very much.